This drink helps boost your immune system.
It is really important to take care of your health during these times of COVID-19. So today, I am going to share with you a drink that helps boost your immune system.
The drink contains 7 simple ingredients. The ingredients are turmeric, ginger, garlic, lemon, honey, black pepper, and hot water. Peel and grate a 2-inch piece of turmeric into a container. Be careful because it stains everything it touches yellow. Peel and grate a 1-inch piece of ginger into the container. Peel and grate a clove of garlic into the container. This step is optional. I skip this step when it's warm outside. Add the zest of 1 lemon. Add a small amount of freshly ground black pepper. The black pepper will help your body absorb the health benefits of the turmeric. Boil some water and add it to your favorite cup. Add 1 tablespoon of your mixture to the cup. Add honey to taste.
Stir, sip, and enjoy.
If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.